Welcome to Yes Kid Educational Channel.
What did you eat for breakfast?
I ate cereal and milk for breakfast.
Where did you go last weekend?
I went to the park last weekend.
Which book did you read last month?
I read Harry Potter last month.
Who called you this morning?
My friend called me this morning.
How did you get to school yesterday?
I rode the bus to school yesterday.
When did you visit your grandparents?
I visited my grandparents last summer.
Why did you move to a new city?
Because my parents got a new job there.
What did you do on your birthday?
I had a party with my friends on my birthday.
Where did you go for your last vacation?
I went to the beach for my last vacation.
How did you fix your computer?
I restarted it, and it started working again.
When did you start playing soccer?
I started playing soccer when I was 7 years old.
What did you buy at the store yesterday?
I bought groceries at the store yesterday.
Who helped you with your homework?
My sister helped me with my homework.
When did you move into your new house?
I moved into my new house last month.
Why did you choose that restaurant for dinner?
Because it has good reviews online.
What did you do on your last day of school?
I had a picnic with my classmates.
Where did you get your new shoes?
I got my new shoes from the mall.
How did you learn to play the guitar?
I took lessons from a music teacher.
When did you start working at your current job?
I started working here 2 years ago.
Why did you cancel your plans for the weekend?
Because I wasn't feeling well.
What did you cook for dinner last night?
I cooked spaghetti and chicken for dinner last night.
Who did you go to the concert with?
I went to the concert with my friends.
When did you start learning to play the piano?
I started learning to play the piano when I was 10 years old.
What did you do on your last vacation?
I went hiking in the mountains on my last vacation.
Where did you put your backpack?
I put my backpack in the closet.
How did you make your favorite dish?
I followed a recipe from a cookbook.
When did you go to bed last night?
I went to bed at 10 p.m. last night.
Why did you change your hair color?
Because I wanted something different.
Where did you go for your last birthday celebration?
I went to a restaurant for my last birthday celebration.
Who did you talk to on the phone earlier?
I talked to my mom on the phone earlier.
When did you last visit the zoo?
I visited the zoo last summer with my family.
Where did you sit during lunchtime?
I sat with my friends at the cafeteria during lunchtime.
How did you do on the science test?
I did well on the science test by studying hard.
When did you play soccer during recess?
I played soccer during recess yesterday.
Which subject did you enjoy the most?
I enjoyed English the most.
Why did you bring your backpack to school?
Because I needed my books and supplies.
What did you do during art class?
We painted pictures during art class.
Where did you put your jacket in the classroom?
I hung my jacket on the back of my chair.
Who was absent from school yesterday?
Ruby was absent from school yesterday.
When did you finish your homework?
I finished my homework before dinner.
What did you study in geography class?
We studied in different countries in geography class.
Where did you go for the school field trip?
We went to the museum for the school field trip.
Who helped you with your project?
My friend helped me with my project.
What did you eat for lunch at the cafeteria?
I ate a sandwich and an apple for lunch at the cafeteria.
Where did you find your lost pencil?
I found my lost pencil in my backpack.
Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, please find the link given in the description box and subscribe to our channel.